Lona kube umhlangano ophuthumayo wokuzobhunga ngokujujwa kwamasosha akulelizwe eDRC. iDA ithi iSANDF iphoswe emphandweni wezingonyama.
Their own government sent them into war unprepared. The lack of accountability for these operational failures speak to wider issues of both governance and leadership.
Iqembu iPatriotic Alliance likholwa ukuthi besingekho nesidingo salomhlangano uma izidumbu zamasosha abulewe zisaduve eUganda.
We are busy debating here while our soldiers are not back. The families of the ones that died must now watch on TV, hoping to get some information. There was no rush for this debate. This debate could have been moved until we got our fallen soldiers back.
iEFF ithi awabuyiselwe ekhaya wonke amasosha akulelizwe asesele eDRC.
Our troops be brought home immediately. We cannot allow more lives to be lost in a senseless conflict while corrupt politicians continue to loot and mismanage our defense resources.
iANC iziphendulela ithi iNingizimu Afrika inomgomo wokuba ingxenye yamazwe aqinisekisa ukuthula eAfrika. Ithi amasosha aseDRC angeke ebuye okwamanje.
We cannot sit back as our neighbors suffer the deprivations and degradations of war. The Freedom Charter instructed us to respect the right of all peoples of Africa to independence and self-government.
Amaqembu amaningi athi ungqongqoshe wezokuvikela uAngie Motshekga wehlulekile emsebenzini wakhe.
Minister Angie Motshekga must go, voluntarily or otherwise. The time for excuses is over.
Minister Angie Motshekga must resign or be fired by the end of the day. Our troops must return before the end of this month.
Namanje lelizwe lisadunguze bumnyameni ngokuthi zikuphi izidumbu zamasosha afele empini nezihonga zeM23 ngoMasingana.
Yes, indeed, the delay is very disheartening. Currently, from the reports we're receiving, that they are still in Uganda, undergoing all the medical processes, and which we also are pressing very hard to get our disease. We were hoping that we'll get them by today, but by the latest we are told that Thursday they will be here.
Njengoba sisemanzonzo isimo eDRC, kunamanye amazwe asehoxile amasosha awo eDRC. Kulamazwe kukhona neMalawi.